Hey y'all, I'm here today to talk to you about wire fraud. And unfortunately, wire fraud is real and is happening every day. We at Blair Cato have placed multiple security safeguards in place to ensure that all closing funds are protected for both our buyer and seller clients. First, I want to address our buyer clients and why your funds due at closing must be sent in the form of a wire transfer. In 2005, South Carolina Supreme Court passed the Good Funds Rule, which required that funds due at closing must be guaranteed and fully credited at the time of disbursement at a real estate transaction. Therefore, we require any funds over $5,000 to be in the form of a U.S. bank wire transfer. ACH transfers are never allowed and they will be rejected by our bank. Cashier certified checks are only accepted if under $5,000. Personal checks are never accepted. So how will you receive our trust account wire instructions? We only send our wire instructions to you three ways. 1, they are securely embedded in our Cooler Closings portal. 2, in person at one of our offices or at the closing table. Or 3, by other secure delivery methods to be determined on a case-by-case basis. We will never send our wire instructions by an unsecure email. If you ever receive an email purporting to be from someone at our firm that includes instructions for sending a wire, you should absolutely disregard that email and call one of our offices immediately. Also, and just a general tip for your protection, never trust the number on anyone's letterhead or email. Always verify the phone number by Google or other verification means. Remember, the fraudster wants you to use that fake number they provide. They only have to be right one time and they've had a good day. Now for our seller clients. We also have policies in place to protect your proceeds to ensure they are received into your designated bank account. 1, you can complete your proceeds form securely in our Cooler Closings portal. 2, you can complete your proceeds form in person at closing. 3, if you are executing your documents remotely using our mail-away closing process, you can complete your seller proceeds form with the notary public and verify the information via Teams video call with your experienced Blair Cato attorney. Again, and unfortunately, wire fraud is real. The security measures and policies we have in place at Blair Cato are for your protection. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact one of our Blair Cato offices. Thank you for choosing Blair Cato for all your real estate closing needs.